Malmø Raceway with Nils, and we are going to see if it's gonna work what we did on the dyno first time this year. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. And we got Nils here, and he's not going to say anything.
No.
Maybe. Yeah.
No.
What do you think is gonna happen today?
I don't know.
Are we gonna
Looking forward to try the new things that's been
Yeah.
done this winter.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, real fun.
We're gonna see those bad wheelies.
Don't know.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, there's some dirt on.
Oh yeah. What's there? For Black Ops and Jan Kisling.
Yeah, Dennis.
Yeah. And we got a pro race driver here, Lene Jensen, Denmark, in her new car.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
It's a 72 Oldsmobile. Mom's toy, hashtag Ford.
Mom's toy.
It's my Ford car. And it's the first time. I haven't driven for about 13 years, so I'm a little bit nervous.
I understand. It's gonna be fun. Is that a Supra? Hey Peter. You ready?
Yeah. Ready, Eddie.
Ready, Eddie? Yeah. block. Bullet billet.
Jeg har også det der non-George Carson, hvor den her.
Nå ja, ja.
Det er pænt måde at se på med nogle folk.
Det er World Cup versus domestic. Jo, endnu mere. Og så er det Barrier.
7685 precision turbo, and it's maxed out at 3.6 bars. It's making 1343 horsepower at the hub. So it's gonna be very funny to see that little chubby guy floored and making some insane wheelies. That's Peter. He's ready. Is he ready? And Kill is running for his life. That's fucking badass. And a little tire shake. I think he's happy. Fucking good save, Peter. He's smiling. Five nine and 190 kilometers an hour. Well, take one more time. kilometers an hour. And a lot of tire shake. And we got Jorge. What are you doing?
Watching racing. Nobody's racing here, so might as well watch some Formula 3.
Formula 3 on the drag strip. And we got some live action here on Facebook.
Vi står her og filmer.
Hey Lena!
Du sender vel på YouTube, ikke?
Yep,
Ja, jeg sender på Facebook.
I know.
Ja.
And this is Lena. She's running this
Yeah.
beast over here.
Ja, det går godt. I hvad i første land?
She's not giving all throttle, but she's still running pretty fast, so it's pretty awesome. Good job, Lena. And we're here with a YouTube star.
2JC!
2JC.
2JC!
Is that a Supra? No. That's a black thief. We are on the way home from Malmø Raceway. And Peter Gass and Nils Mortensen and Jack Rasmussen and everybody was there. Well, just those three. But they were all racing and
Lene?
And Lene was racing, but she's not one of the guys. But she's trying. But